Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dominique here, and real quick, I wanted to show you guys how to amp up your Zoom videos when you're editing them in iMovie. When you do a side-by-side, interview or a video that you're looking to put on YouTube or put out onto social media somewhere, and you have this black border, right? That's just super plain. There's nothing there. So typically, probably what you would do is you would add one picture. It might be your logo or your website, and it's just going to show up down here, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to take it a step further, and it's really, really simple. The only thing you're going to need is Canva and obviously iMovie or whatever Final Cut Pro, whatever program you're using. So the first step is to pull up this section of your video so that you can just get the proper layout. So all I do is I can screenshot with my Mac, and I just get to the very corner, like as close as I can get, and I just screenshot that whole entire section there, right? And then I take it over to Canva. So what I would like to do is create a design, and then I use the YouTube thumbnail because I know that that's going to be the perfect size of what I'm looking for. So you would open up a blank template, and then you're going to go over to Uploads, upload that picture that you just screenshot. Okay, and it's going to load it. And then you will just pull the picture in and you're going to put it up in the corner here. Drag the bottom right corner so that it fits the entire screen just like that. And now this is like our guide of what we're going to go by, right? So then what you can go and do is you can click on text, you can add your heading and move this around, make it, say whatever you want. I'm going to quick go over to my design that I created just to show you guys, to give you some inspiration real quick. So here's one that I just did for our YouTube video that we're going to be putting on YouTube. So what I did was I just grabbed like a nice font that was still legible, added this to the top, added everything you need to master your credit, and then I put here like a call to action, get your credit essentials bundle over at www blah blah blah, right? So it's giving a call to action, it's showing people what the video is about and what is included in the video, and then it gives you a call to action. And that's really important when you're creating videos on YouTube or creating videos in general, is you want to make sure that you always have a call to action. So now that we have this completed, right, the other little thing that I did, so I wanted to add our logo in here into the video. So what I did was I just added our logo over top of the image right there. Okay, so it looks like it's actually built into the video itself. Then the next step you're going to do is you're just going to click on the background here and click delete. So it's still leaving everything else, right? But we don't need a copy of that video behind it. So then what you're going to want to do, and you'll be able to download with a transparent background as long as you have the upgraded version of Canva, which I highly recommend. It's like 15 bucks a month. You get everything for free, all these templates, all of their elements that they have to offer. You get that all for free, you guys. So we're going to download. I like to up the size to 1.5. That just makes the quality of the image a little bit better. Then you're going to click on transparent background as long as you have the upgraded version, and then you're going to click download, okay? And then you're going to go back to iMovie, and you're just going to simply go to your downloads. Here's the image here so that you can see how it looks, right? So it's got a transparent background, and you would just click and drag that over here. Okay. And you can see now, look how it perfectly fits, you guys. Like, it looks so good. Okay, but the other thing we need to do is we need to go up here and change this from cutaway to picture in picture. Okay. And then the other thing you want to do is go to the crop and click fit. All right. And then you're going to just drag it so that it covers the entire screen there. And then I'm just going to drag this guy throughout the entire video. Whoop. That way, throughout the entire video, you're going to see the overlay that it has, and it looks like it's supposed to be there, and it's just one picture because you cannot add more than one picture for the picture-in-picture within iMovie, at least that I am aware of. So I thought this was a way more clean way to do it, and I just wanted to show you guys because it's a great way to amp up whatever you have going on. Now, let's say you don't like this black background, right? That's behind the text. You don't have to have it be black, okay? So here's what you would do to do that, because I know some people are like, oh, I don't really like the black background. So I'm just going to do undo here. I would go to elements. I would grab a square, and you're just going to match it up to the top corner, then drag this bottom to match, you know, a little bit. You might want to do a little bit over top of the video area, and you're just going to make sure that it's behind the text. If it's not, you want to click on the element, click on position, and make sure that it's all the way backward, and that's how it's going to make the text look like it's sitting on top. Then you can change this to whatever color you want. See? And then you could even have a different color down here. Okay, so the next thing that you would want to do then, after you have, you know, everything together, you would still delete this picture. You'd still download with a transparent background, because it's still going to keep the red or whatever color element square that you add behind the text. And then you would do the exact same steps that I showed you before. And then instead of it being black under here, it would be whatever color you choose. You can choose a different color down below. You know, you can completely customize it. You can add pictures to this, whatever you guys choose. So go out there and customize your videos for YouTube using Canva. It's super easy, you guys. Make sure that you follow, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you later.